How to get $180 Doordash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Doordash coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Doordash. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, 50% off, $10 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem. You'll be directed to the official website of Doordash. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While you're on the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers for Doordash. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Doordash. So this way you can easily get up to $180 working coupon code for Doordash. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.